Hey, hey, what's up? How you doing today? I'm Lee, working up in Nashville, and just thought I'd make a quick clip of this tailstock turret. I can't really do a good demo. I don't have a tripod set up or anything, but these things are pretty cheap. They're only like $100. They're all made in China now. This one was actually made in an old one I bought from a guy from San Antonio. It's an old one made in USA, but I think Enco puts their brand on them, and I know you could used to get them from Grizzly, and there's probably other places that sell them, MSC or whatever, but I'm not sure how much it's helping me out right now. I'm really just swapping back and forth between 1/4 inch and 5/16, so I'm drilling tap a 3/8 coarse thread, but I don't think there was a clip on YouTube, so thought I'd make this real quick. And I got it set up center drill. Hadn't really even used that yet, but also drilling some with the carriage a bit, even though this isn't the best setup for that. But I had a problem earlier where it came loose, like tends to happen anytime you're doing any real work with a tailstock, where you know the tapered part, it comes loose in the taper, and that could have been dangerous because I had that bit in there, but I got lucky on that one. So you might want to like put a scrap piece of wood under there or something to catch it, something to keep it from slinging around. So also to help keep that tight in there, you can slam it in there as forcefully as you can, but also I've been taking a scrap piece of wood and tapping it, smacking it pretty good with the hammer on a flat spot. But anyway, tailstock turret adventures. Let me see if I can. You hit this lever right here. Hold on. Maybe I can almost, yeah, kind of do a little demo. There it is in the center drill. Switch to 1/4 inch and 5/16, and then I need to finish out some more holders with some 3/8 fine is what these chucks screw onto. So anyway, experiment, see what you can do with it. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.